Nice one for custom cruisers. Right, we've just done put the hydraulic power pack in a box with a Harley Davidson battery. I've rigged up the that's the electric release, and basically we've just got up and down. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up with a lift using this hand control I've wired up with the extra one as well. So we're going to go up. See, pretty impressive. You can see the stops here. So as you can see, it's going up to stop. Okay, and that is enormous. I don't know what height that is, but look at the height of that bike on the ramp to that. Absolutely enormous. Now to come down, you can see this electric thing here. So that's going to lift this up. Otherwise, what it will do, it goes to the stop for safety. So I'm going to go up a bit, lift him up. Basically awkward with two. Basically pushing both of those buttons in at once, you can hear the fluid going down. Obviously we could stop this whatever height we wanted. And now we're going right back down. So amazing bit of kit now. And the great thing is, this is the only wire on this. This is just a charging lead for the battery, which I put on last night. But all we've got is this magnetic jobber here. And that's it. And the leads want tidying up. But works very well with one of these hydraulic power packs. Okay, thanks.